What is going on, guys? Dippin back. I'm here with Paradox. Link will be in the description below to his channel. Go check it out. We're working on this 1951. We're just getting ready for paint, so it's gonna look so sick. But you guys loved last video where I talked about how to build a badass 5th gen list here, but we think it'll make for a badass truck. Yeah, so everything on this list adds exactly to $10,000, not including tax. So I thought I'd switch it up a little bit, still do a build, but we're gonna show you guys how to build a squatted shitbox. It should be
she's got one, so I don't know how to build one.
Yeah, it's over there, I guess. It's not squatted, but it's a shitbox.
It was squatted.
How to build a squatted shitbox. This is gonna be really easy. I mean,
only a couple things to it.
So the truck that we're doing this on is gonna be a 2003 Ford F-150. You know, it can do to pretty much any truck. This one's just the one that I picked because it's round body shitbox Ford. It's one of the most common ones you see.
It's got to be an extended cab, 100%.
And yeah, this one's actually a 4-door, but any round body Ford F-150 will work. Any truck will work pretty much. But this is what we're gonna go off of. And yeah, let's get right into it.
So the first thing we're gonna have is the Rough Country lift kit, $3.99. You only can install the front of it.
Yeah,
you're not allowed to touch the rear. You're only allowed to install the front of the lift kit. That's it. That's like the manual. You gotta abide by that. So once you get your Rough Country lift kit, you gotta install it. Can't install it at your shop because you ain't got a shop.
No.
You gotta take it somewhere, and then you gotta tell them, hey, I only want the front installed, or you gotta ask your dad to do it in the driveway. But he's gotta be home for that. So
yeah, he don't want you using his tools without his permission.
Yeah, he's gotta be home for that because you'd lose everything. So.
And yeah, with that Rough Country lift, super cheap. You know, squatted shitbox, you don't want expensive ass shit on there. You want the cheapest thing you can get. $400 for a lift kit.
Oh yeah.
I mean, can't get any better than that.
No, pretty good price.
And with the back end of the lift, like we said, we're not gonna install the lift kit in the back. We're gonna go ahead and add some 2-inch rear drop shackles in the back. You want that ass end low, looking like a dog taking a shit.
Oh yeah, you gotta toot it up, baby.
Yeah, that bit tooted up, man.
You gotta have it tooted up.
That bit tooted up. Yeah, $46 for some drop shackles. You know, you wanna be tooted up.
Yep. AmericanTruck.com, straight from China.
The American Truck, that's their company name, and they're getting shit from China. That's crazy, dude. The next thing we got, this is a little out of your budget, but you know, you got your dad's credit card to spend some money. You got $2,500 replica wheels.
I don't even understand what replicas are. Like, they all look different to me. What is the replica look? I don't understand. From
what I was looking online, I think the replica's kind of like trying to replicate the stock wheel look, I guess, but they're just in bigger sizes. These are 24 on 35s. Oh, okay. So you're gonna be able to tuck those motherfuckers underneath the back end with those 2-inch drop shackles. So you're gonna be tooted up. With that thing, it's a little out of your budget, but it ain't out of your dad's budget. $2,500 bucks.
This guy's asking too much too. I've never seen him ask $2,500 bucks for replicas.
I mean, it's like with tires too. I think it's probably Chinese tires, but
those tires are probably like $800 for a set. I don't know, man. That might be a good deal. I don't know the market on replica.
Yeah, we don't run those. We don't run those.
I don't know, man. Definitely wouldn't be paying that much for them, even if I did.
Well, since you guys have your dad's credit card already out buying these wheels, go ahead and hop on eBay. It already has a squatted truck, but go ahead and hop on eBay and get you some wheel lights. You want the RBG?
$285. What the hell?
Well, it was actually more than that. I picked the bottom ass. The
bottom lights, $285.
Bottom price, dude. You got your dad's credit card, so it don't matter. You're spending his money.
That's a lot of money for
RGB.
Wheel lights.
You need that RGB. You know, look like a disco party rolling down the road at night.
I've never even looked at the market on these parts, so I'm like surprised that they cost so much. People are paying this much money to make the truck look like that.
Well, $400 for lift ain't that much, but
the wheels and tires and, you know, for that look, I guess they're 24s, but $285 to have your lights or your wheels glow.
And
man, you know, people are probably putting that underglow stuff at AutoZone and that shit.
Oh yeah,
I always thought that was the thing. I didn't know there was actual.
Well, they got the rock lights too they can get, but you see it right there, that squatted shitbox on that picture, running wheel lights.
Perfectly good Escalade. You know how good that truck would look if it had no wheel lights and a lift in the rear? That would look good.
Yeah,
that would look really good.
I'm not too big of a fan of SUVs lifted, but
that truck looks good though. If it didn't have wheel lights and it wasn't squatted, it'd look really good.
So you guys already know what's freaking coming next. We got the fuzzy steering wheel. You got a deal right there. $9.99 on Wish.com. You gotta get that Chinese parts, but you gotta wait like probably a month to get it.
Yeah. $9.99 price and then $27 shipping is guaranteed what that's gonna be.
Yeah, you can probably go to what, Walmart, AutoZone, get a fuzzy steering wheel. But a fuzzy steering wheel is one of the main parts to making your truck a squatted shit box. You gotta have that fuzzy steering wheel, and you also have to have your cousin's your sister cousin panties.
Yep.
There we go.
The flowers on
$10.50 for a pair of panties.
That's pretty good.
People that have them are probably saying they stole them from their girlfriend or stole them from the bird that they snagged last night. But nah, they're going to Victoria's Secret getting a pair of panties for $10.50. They're probably buying actually 5 of them, 5 for $30. That's a good deal.
5 for $30 is not
a good deal right there. So they just get probably a different color every time, and then just change it out every week, saying they slammed another girl or something.
The no-show cheekster. The no-show cheekster. The names on these things, man.
You got to get the flower ones too.
You got to. You got to put it on the steering wheel. You got to get a wide one so it fits across the steering wheel. So you got to go XL on.
Oh yeah, you can't get extra small.
No, you can't. It's got to fit around that steering wheel on that F-150.
It's got to fit around the fuzzy steering wheel cover too.
That's true.
Dude, they got to be extra large. I don't know.
2X. You got to be. Got to be, man. Wouldn't fit. Fuzzy steering wheel. You got to have that too.
They're always claiming they're getting hot ass chicks, but with the look of those extra large 2XL panties, no. I don't know about that.
They ain't getting none.
So, you know, these products that we've seen, you know, that's not all. That's just what we saw online. And, you know, break out your dad's credit card. That's going to cost you $3,250 for all those parts. You know, the wheels, I guess, were kind of expensive. Oh, yeah. I didn't know that they cost that much. I was looking online, and, I mean, a set was probably... set of replicas are like $1,100 or something. I don't know where they're getting another $1,400, maybe in the Chinese tires.
I have no idea.
But yeah, that's not it. You're gonna have to go get a Sawzall and straight cut off your muffler and make it sound like this. So you gotta have that truck clapping. You gotta have it making it sound like that.
Yep.
We hear that every single day we go into town. And what do you think of that? What do you think of their exhaust?
You know, when I was like 16 or 17, I thought it was cool for like a week. And then I was like, man, that's annoying. And you ride in one of those trucks and it's like, man, how do you enjoy this? Like, I like the exhaust on here. It's a 5-inch delete, but it's inside the cab. You can barely hear it. There's no drone. I had a 24 valve 5-inch straight pipe and it had a lot of drone, and yeah, it was cool for a little while, and then I kind of got tired of it. But that, I mean, a straight pipe diesel and a straight pipe gasser, two different things.
Way
different things. The popping, pop, the freaking sound,
and the red line in it.
Sound.
Yeah,
man, that is annoying as hell. A straight pipe diesel is still to this day sounds good to me.
Oh, yeah.
No matter if there's a drone inside the cab, whatever. I'm just saying, on long road trips it can get annoying. But the straight pipe gasser, couldn't do it, man.
Long road trip. I drove across the country with straight pipe coming.
You get used to it after a while. You go deaf in one ear, and then you just kind of drone it out for a little bit. But you got to buy a battery with this. It doesn't come with a battery, so you got to ask.
Well, your dad probably already has this in the shop. You just got to ask him to use it.
Well, he has all Craftsman, you think, or he's more Milwaukee?
He's big balling. He's giving you $2,500 for some wheels, so he's probably got Craftsman, Milwaukee, Cobalt from Lowe's. I don't know, man.
Might be. I don't know.
I mean, your dad, if you're driving a squatted shitbox, and your dad's probably like a lawyer or something.
Might be.
You see all those kids, rich kids, are like, oh, my dad's gonna see you driving a shitbox, and it could be a lawyer. Could have that snap-on. If you got that loud exhaust, you know, the clapping exhaust, you don't want to hear it in the cab. You gotta play your Walmart speakers, man.
You gotta play Jason Aldean and Luke Bryan on your Walmart speakers, but you're not allowed to have all of them work at the same time. So what you gotta do, you gotta install them. Then you gotta turn all the way because you gotta blow a minimum of 2.
Yeah.
It's got to be minimum of 2 door speakers.
And actually one tweeter's got to be blown out.
Gotta be. And then you only have 2 out of the 6 or whatnot working at one time. And that's the only way you can do it.
But you still got to play it loud.
Still got to play it loud.
You're hearing the blown speakers going with, you think it adds to the bass.
Yep.
You got 2 main speakers blown out, a tweeter, but you're still playing that full blast.
You got the bass on the radio turned all the way up.
Yeah, you don't even have real subs. You just you go into your main menu and you turn up the bass.
It's rattling like a mofo.
Dude, that's how you do it.
You have no choice. You know what I'm saying? If you're running replicas and you're squatted, I don't think you have a choice. I think when you get replicas, you have to like sign something that says I will run this certain setup.
Yeah.
And then
that's how they have to do the exhaust.
You have no choice.
You got to sign a contract saying you're not going to get the best stuff. This is the most expensive thing you're going to spend your money on. So you can't spend your money on some good speakers. So you got to run those dual. I think it's dual, right? Walmart brand ones.
No, I don't know.
Dual. Those are shitty, and they blow on like 2.5 seconds. So you got to run those, turn it up all the way, and blow your speakers, and that just adds to the squatted ship box.
Oh yeah.
So for the last thing, there's tons of things you can do to a squatted ship box. We're running out of time on this video. I don't want to make this video too long for you guys. But you gotta hop on eBay. You gotta hop on eBay and get that sticker. Look, 103-piece sticker pack. You gotta get that so people think, oh damn,
that Borla exhaust on
he's
there.
got that K&N filter, man. He's got that
horsepower right there.
I don't even
tires.
know any of those brands. I think that's the oil company right there.
ARP,
Dunlap, or APR.
What tires you running? You got like 6 tire brands on here, man.
Oh, you got to get that turbo. But when you guys actually do order this, get your tint strip on your window and sticker bomb the whole tint strip. That adds to it. You got to do that for a squatted ship box. If you don't do that, it's not a squatted ship box. Yeah. You gotta spend your birthday money. You don't gotta ask your dad for this time because it's only $4.99 with $2.99 shipping. You got birthday money saved up. Go ahead and hop on eBay. Get yourself a 103-piece sticker pack.
So when your friends get in there from high school, you look cool when you're rolling out a Sonic or whatnot, whatever y'all do in y'all's town.
Oh yeah, dude. Oh, we saw them at O'Reilly's yesterday.
Yeah.
Or the other day, man. They're tooted up, man. I asked them if they're tooted up. They're like, yeah.
Tooted up. Gotta be tooted up.
That bit tooted up, dog. But anyway, guys, that is it. That is how to build a 2003 Ford F-150 ship box.
It's all in good fun, man. We're just messing around, man. You guys don't get butthurt over it in the comment section. It's just,
I don't think anyone was butthurt about the other video. But you guys seem to like this series, so I think we're gonna keep doing it.
Yep.
Yeah, let me know in the comments below what kind of truck you guys want to see next, and then what kind of budget. We didn't really budget out this one. It's probably
$3,300 somewhere around there.
Yeah, $3,300. It wasn't really a budget build, but on my last video, if you guys want to see that, there'll be an annotation right here on the screen if you guys want to go check that out. Us building a badass 5th gen Cummins.
Yep. On a budget.
On a budget. It was for $10K, which is really hard for those new trucks. Those trucks are expensive. But if you guys want to see more videos like this, leave a truck down below, year, make, model, and leave a budget for how we can build it, how much money we can spend on the build, and we'll go ahead and make another video like this in the future. So thank you guys for watching. Go subscribe to Caleb, Paradox, link will be in the description below, and that's gonna be it for us. Thank you guys for watching. I think I already said that, but leave a like on this video if you guys did enjoy. Subscribe if you guys are new. Catch you in the next one. Dippin' Diesel, out.
Later, guys.